Daily and Decor is marketed as a stylish home and lifestyle online store with trendy decor. But the real question is it actually legit or another drop-shipping style store with polished marketing? Now, to be fair, stores like this often do ship real products. The website presentation usually looks clean, modern, and professionally branded. What it does well. The site looks visually polished. Daily and Decor appears designed around trendy minimalist aesthetics that make the store feel premium and trustworthy. The product selection is appealing. The store focuses on viral-style home items, decor accessories, organizers, and cozy lifestyle products popular on social media. Where it raises concerns. The branding resembles many drop-shipping stores. This is the biggest issue. The overall structure closely matches modern e-commerce stores sourcing products from third-party suppliers. Independent reputation is limited. There is not much strong third-party history, proving Daily and Decor is a long-established home brand. Product quality may vary heavily. With decor and gadget stores like this, the real item sometimes looks cheaper or smaller than the highly edited promotional photos. So, is Daily and Decor real or fake? Short answer, probably a real operating e-commerce store, but likely another dropshipping style online shop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.